Hi guys, welcome to my shop. Man, I love using magnets when I'm building my aeroplanes. It really comes in handy. I mean, the pins and all that, I didn't like it. Stumbled on this system. I get these magnets here from Harbor Freight, 2 for 99 cents. I bought these on the internet. And obviously the sheet metal I got from a shop down the road. Luckily I got a sheet metal shop. But building with magnets, I'm really impressed. This is my second plane that I've done. This, by the way, is SIG's 1/3 scale. What do they call it? Spacewalker. Yeah, 1/3 scale spacewalker. So, there it is. Spacewalker! Anyway, I don't know why I did all that. But anyway, look at that. It's beautiful. You couldn't ask for straighter. The finished product. This has only received a rough sanding. Flat, straight, no warps. You make all your adjustments dry, and then tap it with thin CA. It wicks into the material, and it's rock solid. Gotta try it. Comments, questions, let's have them. Thanks for watching, guys.